Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Santiago Carrata, President and CEO of Visit Tampa Bay, our Convention and Visitors Bureau, and we've just had a great conversation with our governor regarding the Bollywood Oscars, the International Indian Film Academy Awards coming to Tampa next year, and it is now my privilege and honor to introduce our governor, the Honorable Governor of Florida.
Well, thank you, Santiago. Thanks for the opportunity to be here. I've had the opportunity to visit India a few times. This is a great event for Tampa. It's a great event for Florida. No different than any other worldwide event where it has an international audience. It's going to be great to have them see a taste of Florida, see a taste of Tampa. The Republican convention had a positive impact on our economy in Tampa and Florida. This should do the same thing. It's exciting. It's always great. All these things happen. Last year, as you know, we had 91 million tourists come to our state. Visit Florida is basically recruiting tourists from around the world. We increased our funding this year in the budget to $63 million. It's a public-private partnership where Visit Florida puts up capital and the private sector puts up capital. Hopefully this will give us an opportunity to attract more individuals from India and from around the world. So I want to congratulate everybody, the commissioner. Thanks for all your hard work. My understanding you went over, weren't sure you're going to win, but you came back with a significant win, so congratulations.
Great teamwork with everybody. We appreciate, Governor, you being here and showing your support and willingness to bring Bollywood and the world to the front door of Tampa.
Yeah. I've got a good friend that's a Hindi singer, and she got to sing, I think it was last year's or year before, it was Oscars, so I'm sure she'll want to be here. So I'll be glad. Does anybody else want to add anything? All right, I'll be glad to take any questions.
Governor, on a different subject,
Sure.
Florida's Stand Your Ground law has been getting a lot of attention recently. Do you believe that law needs another look?
Sure. Well, look, let me give you a little history of it. First, we ought to mourn the loss of Trayvon Martin. He was a 17-year-old that lost his life. I had the opportunity to sit down with his parents and introduce him to the Florida Department of Law Enforcement when they were doing the investigation and when I brought in the special prosecutor. I think all of us mourn for that family. I also want to thank the 6 female jurors. It had to be very emotional. They put their lives on hold, and it was very tough to go through that case. I want to thank Angela Corey and her team in that case. Now, right after that happened, I put together a task force of 19 individuals, bipartisan. They traveled the state, they listened to ordinary citizens, they listened to experts, and they concluded that we didn't need to make a change to the law, and I agree with their conclusion.
So you're
Thank
comfortable
you.
with where you're
Yeah.
Governor,
Thank you,
Thanks, everybody.
everyone.
will you
Thanks.
call special session, Governor, on civil rights? Will you call special session, Governor, on civil rights?
Governor, why are you in such a hurry to leave?